In this video, I will show you how to change app icons on an iPhone. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, first you want to make sure you've got your icon images. Now what you can do, there's a ton of websites. For example, this one, flaticon.com, is very good. You can go ahead and download some app images from here, or if you want, you can go ahead and create your own images. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Shortcuts app on your device. Now, if you can't find this, just scroll left until you get to the app library and then go ahead and type Shortcuts into the app search, and you should see the app on there. It's pre-installed on all iPhones, so it should be very easy to find. Once you've gone ahead and opened that, you're going to get a screen like this. From here, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and just click on the little plus icon like this, and that's going to go ahead and bring up a screen like this. Now it's normally going to say something like new shortcut 1, but of course you can rename this just by clicking on the drop down menu, and it's going to bring up a menu like this. You just want to click on to rename and call this whatever you want to. Once you've gone ahead and changed the name, I've just left this as my newest shortcut. I've changed it to that for now. You want to click onto the add action button, which will be underneath. And what it's going to do is take you across to a page like this. So I know it looks a bit confusing. There's quite a few things you can do, but it's all to do with customizing your shortcut. But of course, we're just going to be focusing today on how to change your app icon. So what you want to do is come to the search bar at the top and go ahead and type open app, and then what you want to do is click onto the open app link, which will be down here. So you want to click onto that first, and then what's going to happen is going to bring up a screen like this. Now what you want to do from here is press, as you can see it says open app, and the app is very faint, but if you press onto app, it's going to bring up a list of all your apps. Of course from here you want to choose the app that you want to open from the list that comes up. So as you can see, I've gone ahead and selected Glass from the list of apps that came up. And that's going to take you back to a screen like this. Now what you can do from here is click onto add to home screen to add this to the home screen. And by default, it's going to take you to this screen here. So as you can see, we still got this icon here. So now what you can do is actually press, if you look underneath home screen name and icon, you can see it's going to give you a preview of the basic, but of course we can change this just by pressing onto the icon underneath here where it says home screen name and icon. Then you've got the option to take a photo, choose a photo, or choose a file. So in this example, I'm going to go ahead and choose this icon here, and this is what we're going to change our icon to. So you can see this highlighted area here. This is what's going to be shown as the icon. So it's going to be cropped completely, and then what you would do is come and click choose underneath. So now as you can see, the preview window has changed, and this is what the app icon is now going to look like. You can also change the name from here if you haven't done that already, and then press the add button in the top right hand corner. As you can see, we're now back on our home screen, and you can see that our app icon has now been changed. It says my latest shortcut because I didn't change the name. What you can do is also hide the original app, which if you're going back would have been this one, the Glass app. So to do that, what you want to do is hold on to the app itself, and of course you'll see the app icon start to wiggle. And then what you want to do is press onto the minus sign next to the app to remove this from the home screen. Of course you're going to get a window like this. You don't want to delete the app because it's not going to work. All you want to do is of course remove the original app icon from your home screen, and you'll be able to go ahead and use the new one. And that is all there is to it. So that's how to go ahead and change app icons on an iPhone. I hope this tutorial did help you out today. If it did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.